Welcome to Thunderbird Hostel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to tell you all about this amazing place I stayed at in Chiang Mai, Thailand, the Thunderbird Hostel. Now, before we dive in, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen right now to snag a special deal. Okay, so picture this. You're in Chiang Mai, this incredible city, ready to explore, and you need a comfy, convenient, and budget-friendly place to crash. Thunderbird Hostel is right in the heart of everything. You're steps away from the best markets, the craziest nightlife. Seriously, it's all right there. Whether you're flying solo, traveling with your besties, or just trying to keep it affordable, this hostel is the perfect home base for your Thai adventures. From the moment you walk through the door, you're hit with this super warm and welcoming vibe. They have 13 rooms total, so it's not some massive, impersonal place. It's cozy and comfortable. Each room is designed with everything you need and feels so relaxing after a long day of exploring temples and eating delicious street food. They've been open since 2017, so everything's modern and well-maintained. The staff is amazing, super friendly, and always ready to help with anything you need. Check-in is at 2 p.m., so you've got time to settle in, and check-out is a chill 11:30 a.m., plenty of time for a leisurely breakfast. And the best part? The airport is only 20 minutes away, making those travel days a breeze. They have free Wi-Fi too, so you can stay connected and share all your awesome travel pics. Honestly, the Thunderbird Hostel made my Chiang Mai trip unforgettable. So, if you're planning a trip to Chiang Mai, do yourself a favor and check out the Thunderbird Hostel. Remember that QR code? Scan it to book your stay and get ready for an amazing adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.